Hi, Wingstop. I'm so excited. Shirley Temple Bloom Pop. Ah, so good. New Fiery Lime Seasoned Fries. New Fiery Lime Tenders. These are the smallest tenders I've seen at Wingstop. Bone-in Hawaiian. I haven't had Hawaiian in so long. Look at that huge side of ranch. It's always a must. I use it after too for so many things. And then we have blue cheese. I'm so hungry. I've been craving Wingstop for a while now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The fiery lime is so good. I'm having kind of a chill Saturday, just working, cleaning, doing things I need to do. Mm-hmm. This lime flavor is so good. I'm craving Wingstop for days now. My dogs are being silly right now. Love this flavor. I rated it a 9.5 out of 10. It's so freaking good. I learned this wing trick from Kaden Kearns. Pushing all the meat down to the bottom. Zip in. So freaking good.